Well, here we are today at 5173 Canary Avenue in Nampa, Idaho, just by the Idaho Center. We have this beautiful home here just on an acre with a wraparound driveway, as you can see, with beautiful landscape work. Let's go on through the house here. You'll notice there's some tile, some nice features to this home, again on an acre lot. Yeah. So as we enter into this this beautiful home, we'll go through the front door here. As you'll see, we have some tile work here on the flooring as we walk in. Just to our left, we have a nice office and den with French doors. They're just packing up and ready to go, so that will be removed. High vaulted ceilings. Fresh new paint. Now to our right is formal dining room with nice bay windows out to the front yard. As you can see, chandelier. We walk into the kitchen with a very spacious kitchen with hardwood flooring. Plenty of cabinetry work, comes with a dishwasher, a breakfast bar, two-door full-size fridge, nice pantry, microwave and stove, and again lots of cabinetry work here for your personal items. Plant shelving with vaulted high ceilings. Very, very nice. We walk into the living room, and this also could be an informal dining room here. We have a sliding glass door to a beautiful sun deck we'll see here in a second. We go into our living room area. Nice big fireplace, mantle, as you can see. And again, some more brickwork separating the rooms from the hallway to the living room. Very nice, very unique. Some fine characteristics to this home. Again, with the high vaulted ceilings, tile flooring. We have storage here. We'll go to the end of the hall. We have another bathroom. Tile flooring again, nice stand-up full shower. We have a spare bedroom. Nice full-size closet. We also have another bedroom. And this is a covered walkway into the extended three-car garage. The door there is to the three-car garage. So you can see out the windows to the driveway. They do have some furniture in there that they're going to be moving here shortly. And let's walk into the master bedroom. Nice French doors. Very spacious bedroom, again with high vaulted ceilings. Some shelving that's already in place. Huge walk-in closet. And then the master bath. Big long sink, countertop with tile, dual vanity, tile flooring. Big soaker tub and a stand-up shower. Very, very nice home here. So let's quickly go out to the sunroom and see the backyard. It's a three-car garage with a wraparound driveway. We zip through the house here a little bit. Living room again. Sliding glass door to a covered sunroom. This is extremely nice. You don't see this in many homes. They are moving all this out of here. This will be completely empty. They're just moving the extra fridge that they have, but you can see the covered patio deck, Nice sunroom with plenty of window space. So let's just step outside right now as we can see nice big wraparound yard, goes out to the front. Very spacious, fully fenced. We have its own barbecue area with a built-in barbecue structure for great entertainment. Friends over. You can see this patio. Nice fountain. And again, planters in the back with plenty of yard and open area in the back here. A storage shed in the corner. Again, we're at 5173 Canary Lane in Nampa, Idaho. See the panoramic view. Great patio facility with its built-in barbecue, storage shed, extended 3-car garage, and a nice sunroom. For further information on this great home, please contact our main office line at 377-3227 or go on our webpage at www.parkplaceid.com for further information on this fantastic home that'll go very quickly. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.